There's never a wrong time to rebuild your life, to make your life what you want it. See, it doesn't matter what is pulling you apart in your life. It doesn't matter what is going on. It doesn't matter what kind of divorce, breakup, you're being hammered down, your belief system, all these different things. You can always find the part of you that is going to make you successful, that is going to make you you, that isn't going to define you by society standards, but is going to light the fire inside you so that you can be your best. And if you try and be your best without that, you will never be able to rebuild. So this morning's workout started off with 360s, and Nate was going through the exercise, and it just so happened that I was the only person there at the time. And he said, Steve, the mace is always trying to pull you off your center. Your life is always trying to pull you off your center. It's spinning you out into different directions to the point where you don't even know where your center is. But get back to the part where you can believe in. Get back to the side of yourself where you know you're strong, where you know you can create from, where you know your greatness comes from. When you hit that point where you are solid, that's where we're trying to get. You see, this mace is trying to pull you off your axis. You don't even know where it is. And when your center is off and when you don't know where it is, you start with something that you believe in, and that thing that you believe in, you hold on to. If we let life guide us too far off the axis of what keeps us strong, who are we? This is where we feel lost. This is where we feel we can't do anything. This is where we start to believe that when we have a bad day, we're worthless and we deserved it. Life slaps us in the face and nothing's there. See, I'm going through this exercise and it's hard, man. It's always hard. I'm trying to find the meditation, I'm trying to find the peace with it, and I'm trying to find where I can find that center. Where's the center I can grab onto? And I start to go into my hate. I start to go into my thoughts. I start to go into my masochism. I start to go into my blame. I start to go into my resentment. And all of a sudden, I get functional in the exercise. And so you might not be able to relate with this, but we're going through our rebuild challenge, and function is a huge part of that rebuild. That we need to get to a point where we have our needs met, and when we can get there, we can think clearly. And I'm in these exercises, I'm in these side sit-outs, I'm in these tripods, these walk-up, push-ups, all these different things, and I'm trying to think clearly. I'm not trying to think of the time, I'm not trying to think of the pain in my body, but I'm trying to think of the peace. And look, it's Monday morning. We're in the middle of our rebuild challenge. We just started it in Austin Men's Development. I think you should go there. It's $10 to sign up. If you sign up now, you basically get the whole month of calls, service, coaching, a guideline of what our rebuild is. What I say to everybody on this journey is I want you to watch me. I want you to watch my alumni, because what you're gonna see is men find greatness, and no matter what time's coming from it, that you can live you and at your best no matter where you're at in your life. And man, that's what I'm doing with the rebuild challenge. Go over to Austin Men's Development, follow the link, sign up. It's $10. It's gonna be the best $10 you ever spent. You can live anywhere in the world to do the challenge, but if you live in Austin, and if you're not training with the Viking Ninja team, UFC gym, South Park Meadows, then you are missing out on some of the best trainers in the world working with you individually. It's like, Jesus, it's good. The unification of the mind, the body, the spirit, your essence, your presence, who you are, manifested in what we do. All right, we'll see you guys on the challenge.